Probably some of the biggest skills I've learned is how to work in industry. I think a lot of times you in the classroom you only really get the theoretical aspects, but especially at Rheem, I've been working at the lab and like doing a lot of the hands-on projects and building my own experiments while instead of being told what to do. So a lot of it is just getting my independence and learning how to get the answers you need.
I'd like to say for more people to apply to be as an intern or a co-op or for like full-time positions at Rheem. I have not had a lot of experience with other companies, but I feel like Rheem has a really good engineering environment here.
Working with all these wonderful people has given me a new perspective towards life, I would say. And apart from personal growth, professionally, I've been learning a lot of stuff. I was signed up as a cloud software engineer, but then I've been working with DevOps team, and I'm also working with hardware team right now.